Hello everyone, this is Abha from IGUS India, and today we are here at IMTEX 2015 talking to all our esteemed customers. We have today with us Mr. Harish Menon, and who is the MD of Strategy Automations. We are here to speak to him about the relationship that he has been having with IGUS for so long. So sir, before we begin, tell us something about your company. How is your company working and what sort of machines you design?
We started our company in 1996 from Bangalore. Now we have expanded our presence to multiple cities. We are in Bombay, we are in Delhi, Chennai, Coimbatore and Hyderabad, and Ahmedabad also. Our company has been focused in the field of industrial automation with a complete focus on motion control applications. So we have been associated with a number of leading brands in this, like Panasonic, Sanyo Denki, Hitachi, and various other, and Galil Motion Control. So these are products used typically in motion control applications. Okay? And our typical customer base is in the field of printing, packaging, textile, SPM machinery is this thing what we are focusing.
So as we know that you've been associated with IGUS for over 5 years now, and we would like to know what sort of IGUS products are you using, and how is it that they have benefited you and helped your machineries run better?
We have had a nice association with IGUS, as we work as partners with IGUS on various projects. We have been using IGUS belt drive systems primarily. They are linear guides also for some of our applications. Primarily these have been in the positioning applications of XY table positioning applications. We are working currently on 2 projects also with IGUS, and these are also XY positioning stages using your belt drive systems.
So any message that you would like to give to your industry people, and you would like to recommend IGUS to them?
Sure. What I found that especially from IGUS is that they have a good strong technical team which helps us in working together in deciding what is the right product for the application. They also come along with us for customer visits so that we get a good idea of together. We provide the electronics part and the controls part. They provide us with the mechanical parts for the solution.
Thank you so much, Mr. Harish. It was a pleasure talking to you, and we will look forward to continue our relationship with you in the longer term. Thank you so much. Thank you.